What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. My name is Angelo. I'm a full-time content creator, cinematographer, and mobile DJ. Really excited to bring back another video just for you guys. We partnered up with the guys over at Alter, and they have an amazing product, super innovative. I think you guys are really gonna like this. Alright guys, so we're diving down into this unboxing of the Alter RFS. This is the 77mm adapter, so I'm going to show you guys what comes in the box. First we got this here. Got a beautiful note. Thank you very much. We also have some instructions. So there is very detailed instructions here on how to utilize this, how to put everything together. But it's pretty simple, to be quite honest with you. There's all of the instructions here. We'll kind of go over this together, but it's pretty basic, real basic stuff here. First, we have the Allen key. Then we have the wrench. This here is called the rubber wrench. So when you install the Alter on your lens, this is what you would do. It's kind of like those old school, my grandma used to use these open sauce jars. Aha! Then we have the beautiful Alter RFS, baby. So we're gonna take it out here. I mean, the packaging is awesome. I know it's just a prototype, but I think the packaging is really impressive. I think they did a great job on it, although this is the prototype, so there may be a change or two, but I highly doubt it. I know they're working on a lot of quality control just to make sure they're putting out the best product possible for us, but I like it. I feel like when you spend your money and you open up the packaging, like you got something really awesome. So I like that feeling when I open up packages. So this is gonna come with the hinged adapter here. Then we have the Allen key that you can use to make the appropriate adjustments. This is what the wrench is for, the actual other side. So that's perfect there. I mean, honestly, it came perfectly tuned out of the box for me, but this is the adapter here. This is that hinged portion they were talking about. That's the unboxing. That's exactly what this product comes with, guys. Let's jump into the installation. So we have the 77mm thread here, and that is going to go on the lens. So right now, this is the Rokinon 50mm D cinema lens here, and the thread is 77mm. So what I'm simply going to do, I'm going to take this adapter here, going to place it right here on the lens. I'm going to take my threaded lens adapter here, and you're going to have that knurling I was mentioning about. And then pretty much you're going to just start that threading process on your lens. So I like to get it started by hand first. Tighten it down as much as I can by hand, and there we go. Then you could take the rubber wrench and then kind of tighten it as you please. But before we do that, we're gonna kind of line it up on our camera to make sure we're happy with the positioning of this filter. So this is what we got right now. This is kind of like how the camera would look, but we could position this to however we like. So once we kind of find the sweet spot on where we want it, I kind of like it when it flips up like this. I have it exactly where I want it now. I'm gonna flip this up, then I'm gonna take the rubber wrench and I'm gonna just kind of hold this here and then just tighten it down a little bit. You don't have to go crazy. Tighten it down nice. And this is made to actually stay on your lens. So whatever filters you're rocking, you'll be good to go with this. So today I have the VND Peter McKinnon filter. Screw it on here. There you have it. So now your filter is installed on the lens. Good to go. So if you guys take a look at the design of this product, it's super well made. The machinery on it, grade A, top notch. Really impressed with this product. It does withhold a lot of weight. You may have seen some videos that Alter have been posting on their social with literally just holding the filter with the camera just dangling. That's the craziest stuff I've ever seen, but it goes to show you how strong this product is and how well made it is. So when installing the Alter RFS system on any lens, you have the option to pretty much put it in any orientation that you choose. Whether you want it to flip straight up or to the left, to the right, really any way that you're comfortable shooting. And the best part is you still have access to that manual focus. So if you are a manual focus videographer or you're shooting photo, what have you, you actually still have access and the filter doesn't get in the way, which is the best part. So it's pretty cool. We're gonna do the vignetting test. I'm shooting 50mm. To be honest, that's really all I usually shoot. It's my favorite lens. That's exactly what I use all the time. So just to kind of give you like the idea, it's bright and sunny out. We have our nice little test subject here. Say what's up, Bella. And there you go. So as you can see, you'd be on the run, running, gunning, shooting. You go outside, you go inside. Simple as just flipping this thing up and just capturing those quick moments that you really can't afford to miss, because that's why you're getting paid. So that's it. There you go, guys. Boom. We go inside, flip it up, we go out, or we change filters, or we're shooting photography, whatever you're using this for. My main thing is video. Boom, ready to rock. So you can try to stay as close to that 1/50th of shutter if you're shooting in 24 frames a second. So there you have it, guys. There's the Alter RFS system, one of my favorite products of 2019. This is gonna live on my lens. This is gonna live on every single wedding, Sweet 16, any event I shoot that I'm going inside and outside. This is gonna live on my lens so I can get the best video possible for my clients. Once again, I appreciate you stopping by the channel to check out this video. Let me know if you're a photographer or videographer in the comment section below. And if you think this product would be a huge help to your creative process, if you're run and gun, inside, outside, switching filters all the time, let me know what you guys think of this product below. And we'll see you in the next one.